All right, I am back. Welcome back to the stream. Uh, we have broken above DD Band last night, kind of. Well, this is still pre-market, but last night I was watching. I was like, oh, it's close to DD Band. Oh, okay. I think this was around like 9. I was like, oh, it did a small 20-point bounce and it sunk. It was like staying around here, and eventually it sold off a bit. I tried filling that gap. There was this big, huge candle, which probably was a news thing too, and it brought it back. There's a bounce off the, but market doesn't come down. If the market doesn't come down into DD band before New York session, then it's gonna be like very bullish, and there'll only be like trades off of like trades off DD band or accordion maps. Is this yesterday, right? Where was it? I was able to yesterday for the Nvidia earnings. Where is this thing? I don't even know. It was this. Could be it. Yes, this is it. I bought 3 contracts here, and I went to here and I immediately sold them. I literally got my eval account back. I was down 500 on my eval account and I made it back. So now I'm gonna go back to trade it. Basically, it's like one of those 10K accounts where I only have 500 drawdown and like 1500 made you need to have. Oh shoot. Balance. 24, yeah. Drawdown. Okay. I need to hit hard on these bull zones and bear zones. If it is a very bullish day, I am hoping that it's like the one that say like yesterday, where it was like a nice morning. No, I do not want to trade E-mini. I'm not doing that again. But I need to change this to micro E. I ain't doing that again. All right. Markets open in 15 minutes. Oops. Yeah, put that back. I need to get some lines up. Be like, and all right. Does he want? All right. Right. DD bands is like, 7 4 7 4 7 9 1, which is gonna round up. Let me just right there. Oh, I was just looking like, dude, why is QQQ close so far away? Like, my word, it has gone up. All right, there we go. All right. So I really don't know what to talk about for some reason. I'm like blank for some reason. I don't know what to think, what to say, because it's free market like. But all I want for today is just like to move up, please. It might hold up. I was checking QQQ's monthly maps and ES's. What is that? Get out of here. Get out of here. I don't know. Is this a reversal pit? Reversal now? Don't mind this. Don't mind this line. Are we gonna be able to move? Like, look, it's already starting. You think we can be able to move up more? 249, around 400 points. Man, if you were just a long, if you were just to calculate the days. Just look at this. Look at this. Look at this. You're somehow trade off the dailies. My word. You're gonna guess. Oh, I think it's gonna be long, so I'm gonna hold it all day. Holy cow! You just made like 50K. You held it for like 400 points. This is interesting. I hope this doesn't sell out today. Hold up. I can quickly check the. Check the. Hey, QQQs, why isn't it loading? Whatever. I'll have to see you later. Good morning. What's up? How you doing? Yeah, market's open in 6 minutes, so you can see from there monthly maps. All right, why are the liquidity map loading in pre-market? What in the world, bro? Oh, how high was the volume spike yesterday? Or was it? Oh, was this it? Oh, this had to be it. This had to be it. Earnings. That was. This was earnings. My word. Fine, I got NQs. So. So, I don't know if we're gonna have this yellow line here, lower MHP, because we did go up. I don't think we'll have this stuff. But let's just hope we can maybe sink into DD band before market opens. But I don't think that's gonna happen because how slow the volume is. Look at that. It ain't going. Unless like a huge shoot down in 6 minutes, 6 candles. Low, 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 low. Nah, it ain't happening. We're gonna be opening above. But usually when you open above DD band, you usually get like bullish. I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure. All right, bro. Please let's not continue to have this thing bugging. Please, no, I don't want to. Oh, it's gonna open above. I really don't know what happens if it opens above, because I only know what happens if it opens below. Usually, like sell off, so it must be the opposite. Uh, nope, not it. Uh, all right, 4% above, so like only small longs, I guess. This would be the only strong. I think this would be the only strong pivot. Usually, when you open or like below DD band and you're not in the zone, usually it's like the only pivots are DD band. Because most of the stuff is in the DD band. Commits for market opens. Yay. Do I stream anywhere else besides YouTube? I was thinking of doing multiple streaming setups, like through Twitch or something, but I think I might just keep it to YouTube. I'm gonna keep looking into that. I'm gonna keep looking into that. Oh shoot, I forgot to see what the economic calendar looked like. Shucks. Yes. Yada. All ended at 8:30 basically. Restart in 30 minutes, so that's at 10. Home sales. Housing, yap. Maybe the only that housing thing, that could be it. That could probably only be it. I wish I could do is I could like have the same channel. I literally looked this up like 5 minutes ago. I wish you could run like 2 streams at once on YouTube, like a vertical stream, like when you on shorts and you scroll, you eventually run into those vertical streams, and like the normal streams. If I can have like both running, that'd be good, but you can't. All right, 9:30. Let's go. Come on, bolt. All right, let's wait till the Coin Maps load in. Spy open. Yep. However, this could be a sell candle. Who knows? Let's hope not. So we get a strong bull candle. Coin Maps need to load in. JD has not came in yet, so I don't know if it's below or above, but it might. Oh, what's it is going to break through. All right, this might stay around here. Come on, liquidity maps, load in. I need them to load in. All right, look at ES. All right, this actually might be good. Hold on. Should I refresh my? Should I refresh it? Yo, my PC bugging. Come on, load. There's half gap there, right in the middle, dead middle. Yo, did Rocket Scooter break or something, or is it just slow? Maybe, I don't know. Looks like ES is doing good. NQ's trying to fill that candle, but it looks like there's some resistance. Yo, why did Masakuri map load in? Oh wait, that's why I'm still connecting. Oh no. Oh no. Hold up. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. I can't load in. This isn't good. Oh no. Still says I'm connecting. Dude, okay, I'm just doing it. I don't even care. I have to actually... I missed the morning... Oh, I'm looking on match stream of selling. DD Band... I'm not gonna be able to see the liquidity maps, am I? I think my thing's cooked. Hold on. I need to quickly give me a second, guys. No, move. Good thing. I just need to quickly, guys, don't leave. I just need to quickly refresh this. But I'm looking on through match stream. It looks like everything is above. Where is this? I don't know why it's not loading. It's stuck connecting. I wonder if it's my internet or there's something going on. But DD Band, remember, DD Band is here. This is making no sense. Why is it stuck connecting? There's always been your trade. I thought others were asking questions. Do a great job streaming. I see some people who don't. Ah, thank you, man. I appreciate the support. It's thank you. Bull and bear zones. Yeah, I'm trying to, you know, be like one of those people that don't just like say like 5 words every 50 minutes. And they're like the most boringest thing to watch. I'm trying to get some more like stuff going, but thank you. All right, so looks like only. You guys just see that bull and bear just disappeared. What is going on? It's connected, but there's no MHP. Oh no, this isn't good, guys. This isn't good. Oh no, this isn't good. Oh no, this isn't good. It's fine. I'm looking at match stream. I'm literally not missing out on much. Looks like I'm not gonna be able to get a trade though. Probably if it's gonna be like this. This is diabolical. But I'll tell you guys when we're actually if we're gonna come to something, because it looks like I'm gonna see if I can map this out. Oh, there we go. Okay, right. So whatever. I'll just quickly explain it before I refresh it. So we open here. DD Band is above 0.5. So this is technically an A+ trade, but take this small. Maybe it is. I found out that if you have like tabs open of Rocket Scooter, it still counts. Like even if you're not using it. That's what I found out last night, and I found it on my phone. I had a tab of it. Looks like ES. If it comes down to here, res is still negative on MHP, so it could break straight through it. But looking on the Quiddy map, 1B setup for if market comes down to MHP, bounce to open again. But you could probably hold that because look how close that is. That's only like 4 points. And I want to see is if we're bull, come up, break MHP, because right now MHP is resistance because it's negative, and bounce. That would be a nice trade. So I'm gonna watch for that. Let's see if we can actually get that. That'd be great. All right, bruh. I'm gonna quickly check my phone. It could be actually my dad. Checking my phone for tabs. Rocket dot place. Fine, it's chopping around the DD band and QQ open, so it's fine. But res is decent on NQ, as you can see. It was 76, 77, 77. But MHP is still negative. Reconnecting to futures WebSocket. Press OK to continue. All right, so it's trying to reconnect. See, look, it's okay. All right, we're back. But look, the candles don't move. And if I refresh it, it happens again. What if I just... It doesn't let me refresh. Alright, I gotta quickly do this because I think it's breaking QQ open. I'm sorry about this, guys. This looks horrible. If this happens again, it's like... Oh. Probably will happen again. Yeah. What I could do is I could switch to trading view. This is kind of annoying. See, it loads, but like when it reconnects, when it see, look, I'm connected, candles don't move. The only way to do that is like, well, what if I go to... I don't find anything here. I might have to quickly go on TradingView, but I'll have to tell you guys. But remember, it could take a while for MHP to break because when MHP is negative res, when oh, yeah, I think my dad's trying to take a trade off it. Yeah, look, sold. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna quickly swap to TradingView real quick. Sorry about this, guys. All right, so looking on NQ, I want the most. Let me just do because I set lines there. So right now we are testing around QQ open, and nope, that's full. I'll just wait a bit to. So right now the market is around here, and when the market comes and hits MHP at I'll quickly show you because it did it right now. 252.46, which will round up to 2.5. As you can see, look at this, look at this, look at this. This was the 930. Oh, this is 830. Never mind. 9. Look at this. Look at these resistance. Look at these wicks. Look at it. Come up, resistance. It's chopping around here. It's gonna keep coming back to DD band. If DD band is still above 0.5, it'll keep like bouncing off, bouncing off, bouncing off. Either it's gonna have a very strong bull move or a very strong bear move. And if it's a very strong bear move, the next zone for it to go is HP. Why is this yellow or orange? I don't know. HP. But looking on the liquidity map, if I can get the liquidity map to load, I actually want to see what the liquidity map is on NQ. If I can get that to load. Come on, give me one just to see. Let me see a liquidity maps. Let me see liquidity maps. I'm pretty sure it was this. If I'm correct, there's really no trade to take. Technically, this is one of the trades. This technically we did open below MHP. The market does bounce off MHP, goes down, take a 3, take a small trade off HP. I don't have no idea how ES is looking. ES is like going up for some reason. No, it's kind of chopping around the SPY open. Kind of like the same. All right, so it looks like it's loading. Looks like it's working right now. The liquidity maps haven't loaded in. There we go. All right. Let's see how long it'll last before I get that error again. Somebody get a timer. All right. Okay. Let's see here. Res is still positive. Very good positive on futures. MHP res is negative. HP res is negative. So right now it's I can't hold. HP won't hold and MHP won't hold. Maybe HP will go like a little bounce back and then the sink. So ES is coming down to MHP, but MHP is negative. And let's see here. For 1B, take a medium. It doesn't say. 3, take a small. 4, take a medium. So if it consolidates around here, if it goes up, chops around MHP, just take a medium trade. So that's medium is 1/2 normal. So if you trade 2 contracts, trade 1. If we can get a positive MHP, if we can get positive MHP on NQ, we have a chance of it shooting. You change this. We have a chance of it shooting. Right there. Take your 40 points. Get out. And it might sell off. Who knows? Looks like it's trying to right now. It's just look at these wicks. What is this? What is this crap? Look at that. Look at these candles. The next zone is nothing. There's literally nothing. This is it. This is like meant for like this stuff was meant to be in the DD band zone, I feel like. If ES can carry NQ to MHP, this could literally be the only trade for a bull. Oh wait, yeah, Matt just said outside DD bands you trade small. I forgot about that. So even though it's an MHP, you still, even though it's MHP, very good pivot point. Just trade 1 contract. That lasted 5 minutes, maybe. 5 minutes of yap for it to break. Oh, that was 2 seconds. Dang. It's fine. MHP hasn't broken yet. I hope it does. All right. Very strong bull candle. Very strong bull candle. But bears might want to fill this candle in. Let's hope not. Let's hope. TQU open isn't high enough pivot for market to shoot off. It's more like. It's not like the same as MHP or DD band. But usually there's some trades on the liquidity maps where it is a bounce. Usually if the market opens between. So this is SPY open, SPY close. Usually market will say trade to SPY close, SPY open. But right now there's really no point on taking QQ open trade or QQ close trade because it's all the way down here. That's because the market went up so much. They closed around here. And the market shot up because the Nvidia. This is Nvidia earnings. It chopped around DD band. And look at that. It looks like it's chopping around here now. Look how bad this is. It's not going anywhere. Stuck in this. It's stuck in a box. It looks like it. Looks like it's stuck in a box. Is this because is this happening because the markets? There's something going on with something news wise going on with the markets. The only thing was that house thing. And why did it show that? Why did it sponsor that? Economic calendar. 13 minutes. In 13 minutes, there's gonna be. In 13 minutes. That's bright. Yikes. 13 minutes. There's gonna be home sales for October. previous, and so it could go up by, where is that? Could go up. It's their forecast. There's multiple things happening. This could either shoot the market up. This could help, or shoot it down. Let's hope it goes up. Right now, res is positive. MHP res is positive, which is great. That is great. This is great. Great. If we can break it, MHP. It's just a trending day, it seems. Yeah. Yeah, probably. All right, let's hope it stays in one trend, you know? Let's hope it doesn't chop around. Either goes into a bull trend or a bear trend. No, instead of having this crap of chop that you cannot trade, have like one way, just one way. All right, so we have broken MHP. We can get a retest off that. I'll just have one contract. Oh, I need to get ready. I cannot miss out. This is NQ, right? I'm just gonna buy one right now. Remember, MHP is positive, taking one small, and if it goes down to QQ, it goes down to QQ. This kind of really isn't much of a retest. I'm taking one small trade. What can I? Max I could lose. Hold up. Let's see. Basically, this candle here. Okay, so like $100. Maybe I should have waited. But... Or maybe I should have waited. Res sinking. All my signs are good. I messed up, guys. I should have waited. It's fine. I think I went too early. I think that was my mistake. I went in too early, guys.
Order filled.
Yeah, I messed up. It's fine. I just gotta make it back. It's fine. So I bought here. That was a bad mistake. Should have held. I got out here though. I don't know why. I'm doing bad risk management right now. Don't do what I'm doing. I'm not gonna chase this either this time. I'm gonna wait. Sorry, I'm a newbie. I meant range day where it isn't bullish or bearish. I forgot the term. Oh, it's fine. It's fine. It's all good. Everybody, I can't remember what I said, but yeah. It's all good. I was trying to figure out why the markets weren't moving, and I realized, oh, this happened. Oh, this is great. Interesting. Looks like MHP is still a resistance point, even though it's positive. Okay. I think what I'm gonna do for this time, because I don't know why. I don't know why I got out. I don't know why I was being like that. That was stupid. I should have just held. I just got out around here. We're fine. But now I'm down 100. Fine, it's fine. I'm not gonna take it that hard, but if the market could just break above, maybe it'll take a while. Might take a while. Bounce. If MHP is positive. $40. Is this just gonna be a chop day? But looking from it though, looking from it though, we are getting higher highs, lower lows. Kinda right now, cause look at this. Look at these wicks. This is a resistance. That's why MHP is negative. Oh, it's gonna be resistant. Now technically, I can get rid of these actually. If you were a bear, there would be an option to short it, but I don't think that's a good idea right now. But I think the market wants to try to break MHP. Look at that! Wow, it wants to move. Complicated. Trying to figure out what I should do. I want to get in. All right, I'm not gonna be able to see. It keeps breaking. Try to just hold one. If it's consolidating around here, it is long. So I'm gonna go in on a long small, and I'm gonna have to hold. But bruh.
Order filled.
What is going on? Come on, push. What in the world? Alright, good. Yes. Push, 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 push. My word, bro. Ooh. Alright, let's make my money back, please. Maybe my only. Might just have to get out here.
Order filled.
All right, I just got out there. That's fine. I'm only down 23. That's fine. That's fine. I'm good. I'm fine. All right. All right. So this was kind of this was kind of like this is why you take small trades, because this was kind of hard to tell which way it was going. Look at the chop. So, like, I know we're creating higher highs, lower lows technically, but literally, this is the only trade to take as a bull. There's nothing up here. Forget about this stuff. There's nothing up here for like hundreds of points. So this could just be a big trade and then be done as a bull. Unless it sells, bounce off DD band. Technically, that was a trade, DD band trade. I want to see what time is it. It's 9:58. If I can actually want to see what's gonna happen. What's gonna happen in 2 minutes? I do want to know how effective this housing market is. Housing sales thing. ES. ES was straight at the open. You had to buy straight at the open technically. It was the 9:30. Yeah, look, 9:30. Daily. There's no other retest. Some sorts. 9:50. Abilities for Rocket Zero. I think that might be. Very volatile for some reason. Very volatile. Alright, let's. How come I got out? Because there's no other zone. There's no other zone to go to. If you don't have a zone, it's usually you go by like certain intervals. So for ES, usually your risk is like usually too is you take like you risk 20 points to make 40 points. And on ES or MES, you risk 10 points to make 20 points. Instead of like holding it, take profit. I only had one contract, so I couldn't like take profit here and hold. But I just got fully. And instead of me just holding here, oh, there goes all my money that happened. Who knows if it'll go up there again? So if I had more contracts, I would have probably made it down a runner. But in this market right now of just chop, I just got out. I'm still down 20, but that's fine. I don't feel FOMO or anything. Even though the market is going up now, probably just hit my stop originally, but fine. I don't have the stuff to scale. Unfortunately. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. This market can continue to go up, but I'm not gonna chase. I think one thing I need to focus on is like my risk management, because I get like I think I have like horrible risk management. Buy here. I buy here. Like, oh shoot, the market's going down. I get out right here. Didn't hold. Where's this gonna go from now? Next trade. You won't believe it. Next trade. Right back to MHP. Bro. MHP. MHP. Literally, the only trade to take up here are MHP trades. And you have to scalp them. Res is positive, MHP is positive, but that is a strong bear candle. You could go in it again, take a small trade. Like, look, this, I pivot. Trying to see where the candle's gonna go. All right, let's see what happens here. Now, could this be the V here? Fill a gap for the morning. If I had like what I do here is I would buy small, medium, and then large here. This is probably what I should have done. I should have just bought another one here. Wait, I forgot. This was the 10 o'clock candle. So no, it did not affect. Maybe it affected a different stock. Maybe not futures, but I feel like it would. Maybe it's like a yapping meeting, where they say something that affects the market. All right, looks like right now what's going on is, like, rest is still positive. MHP is positive, but it's this has got to be that housing thingy. Hold up, I'm pulling it up right now. Hold in here. Oh my word. Oh my word. Right. What is going on? Fork revised better than expected. The housing, it was better. This couldn't be it. This is only Europe. I don't know why I have Europe. This does not affect US market. Had to be something else. Trump say something? I don't know. This is crazy stuff. Oh well. All right, next trade is DD bands. Now you see, like, it's slowing down. Let's just go. I'm not gonna 0.81. Take a trade off TD Bam. That's it. Res is positive. MHP res is positive. Res is positive on really good. 0.81 should be a good trade here. This could try to fill in the gap on it. Alright. I'm wondering if I should take a trade off DD Band. It's like only other trade here. All my signs are good to take a trade from there. But this is kind of scary because what if it breaks through DD Band? Could overshoot maybe? Alright. It looks like it's slowing down. Oh, never mind. This could be what happens. It could overshoot. Become. But there's nothing here to support really except HP. Huge drop. That's like. But it's even in the right spot. It's complicated. Like. Oh man. No, it's not in the right spot. It's around this quick. Around here. Okay. Looks like there's no sign of bull. Looks like right now. Maybe there is, because it's like stuck around here. I mean, looks like there's something here. There's something there. Looks like. But what? Be like one of those lines. Maybe. Could be. Um. Strange. Look, it's like doing the same thing now. Over here. Oh man. Oh no way, really? Oh, I didn't. Why does this thing keep breaking? I wonder if there's a way to turn this sign off. I know it's like a security thing. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to use Rockets here for today. uh, yes, I actually want to see what ES is doing. ES came down to spy open. Trade could be MHP, but look at this. Very strong selling. Looks like it's trying to shoot up again. Another MHP, maybe? What is this? What is this? Time to pull up the line. Haven't done this in a long time. Go like this. Haven't used this strategy in a while. Wait for the market to come up and bounce off this line. Can't tell if PD ratio is. This is big moves. Why does it move fast? Wanted to sell. It like wants to sell, but I feel like the bulls might push it up. Comes here, it fills the more. For 930. GD is still 0.8. Res is positive. The trade here, drop GD band. Looks like might fail. Or it could do an overshoot. If it can overshoot, that'd be a good setup there. Because I've traded on times like these on DD band, and it like has like one green candle. This is a green, and it shoots down. But who knows? Maybe I should just like leave. Hold. There's going down to MHP, but Don't take trade off MH because MH. Even though we opened above MH. Wait for 1B. I not get in this. What happens? Oh, can I go back up to H? Yeah. No, MHQ is gonna be resistant. Time pressure. I just have to break through again. So it's gonna probably chop again. Hey. Very. Is this why? Is it choppy? I wonder if it's choppy because of the DD. At 10 o'clock, 10:01, Res was very good. It shot up. Taking Res. On the neck. Yes, basically the same. Res is still positive. Johnny Trey could be an A plus trade tech. Should I get on the DD band trade? All the signs are green to go. DD is above 0.5. Res is positive. comes down again, I could take it instead of just like they know it's gonna break. Alright, so yeah, if we can break MHP, that'd be good. But right now MHP is negative, so it's resistant. Cool, but if we can do it right now, it's just how I feel is here. If res changes on MHP, oh wait, we can have if it can close above, be like a candle here. I can decide. Res continues to get better. Now trade off MHP. Actually, no, if it consolidates around here. So, didn't really close above, but let's see if this other candle here can do it. Yeah, look at up, fill, up, fill. Basically wants to fill again. Res did get positive on MHP, but I think that might sink now. Or let's see. MHP res is positive, that'd be good. It'd take a while. Usually what we had to do was it took like we broke above and it sunk back in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8 supposed to develop, and then shot up 40 points. We're up a bit higher. We're up like 1 point. No, 10 points. Sunk. Alright, let's hold. Get our bounce too. No, I'm not gonna do what I did last time, where if the market comes down here, I'm gonna get out here. Alright, let's see here. I'm going to MHP is res positive. Could be a trade option right here. But what do I think of this? I want to take it. Instead of
Order
missing out.
filled.
I will get trade there. Make sure it's positive, res is positive. I chop around here for a bit, just like over here. Could come down to open. Just gonna hold up probably to for 40 points. Basically here, I think. But look at these candles. These are hammer stick candles. I forget what that means. What a hammer candle stick means. I bought it in around. It shows that I bought it around here. Still holding. Very small. It looks like it's stuck. Looks like it's stuck around here. What are these candles? Go down, bought. Bought. Bought around here. What's 40 points? 5, 2. Right there. Res still positive, which is good. MHP res still positive, which is still good. Bro, I feel like I should just set my stop where I bought, because this market is weird. Like, looks like it is getting higher, but this is sus. Res still positive. MHP res still positive. We'll come down for another bounce. Still holding though. Alright. Bro, what are these candles, man? Bird. What is going on? What is... Check it out.
Order filled.
All right, I'm getting out there. I don't like it. That's fine. I'm positive now. Yay. Positive 20. Yes, sir. Uh. Uh. This is the sussest stuff I've seen, bro. The way that these are forming. What is going on here? Man, I'm glad I got out of that. Holy cow. Oh, this could just be like this again, like this again. I am glad I got out, like, right here. Ooh. I wasn't talking, man. I was like, kind of worried, you know? That was some weird stuff. That was some weird stuff. I need to do. Oh. Why is this candle marked? All right. I need to quickly. Download this. Oops. There we go. I had to rename. Back. Go. Starting soon. Be right back. Thanks for watching. All right. I'm gonna stop streaming right now. What is the point of this curtain now? What is the point of using this curtain? There's like no reason to use this curtain. Why is it like that? Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching the stream. I'm going to go now. Do some other stuff. This was sketchy. I went here. Horrible risk management. I don't even tend to buy one here. I just get out. Then I wait here. Buy. Wait. Buy. Get out. I'm out. So, yeah, pretty horrible day for me. Op is like not my thing. But thanks for watching, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow.